Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for? Get the f out of my face! Don't touch me!
Get back in your car.
You me?
March 26th, 2025. A routine traffic stop was supposed to last 5 minutes. Instead, it spiraled into a full-blown meltdown, proving once again that some people treat a speeding ticket like a human rights violation.
You're almost 60 miles an hour.
I can see my speed limit here. I was going 35. The speed limit is 45. I know I wasn't going no 60. I can see my speed limit. It tells me the speed limit right there.
Well, you were passing every car.
I was going 35. It's a big SUV. It's an Audi. It goes pretty fast for the speed.
Okay. Do you have your driver's license on you, miss?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Do you understand that when you're passing many cars?
What I'm telling you is I can see my speed limit. It tells me the speed limit right there, 45. I was going 35.
I understand that. Do you understand that I'm a trained motor cop? I do this for a living.
You have something to show me what I was going 60?
Yes, you were passing all the cars.
You have something to show me.
My radar showed you at 57 miles an hour, and you're passing all the cars.
Sir, I know what I was
Did you know that you were passing all the cars?
I was going 35. There was no cars on the road. It was just me and you.
Have you been drinking?
Sir, go run my license. Get out my face, please. Go ahead. Bye.
I'm trying to
Don't
educate
ask me
you.
if I've been drinking. That's a racial slur right there, because how do I look like I've been drinking? Because I'm telling you what I was going.
Because
if I was
doing
drinking,
35
do you want to do a breathalyzer or not? Okay, cool.
A check of the vehicle's temp tag would show that the vehicle had been issued a permanent plate. In Florida, once that happens, the temp tag dies on the spot. Translation: that tag was as fake as her outrage.
Okay, so the temporary license plate is expired today and is no longer assigned. You have a new license plate assigned to the vehicle.
I have 6 days to get a new license. Can you put my license plate back?
No, this license plate is no longer assigned to this vehicle. You have a new license plate assigned to it.
Okay, well, I haven't picked it up yet. That one hasn't expired yet. So you can put my license plate back today. So I still got 6 days to go get it. So I would like for you to put that back.
No, that's not how it works.
In the state of Florida, you have up to 6 more days to drive with an expired license plate. Temporary. So I need you to put that back before I be suing you.
You can sue me.
Okay, I need you to put that back.
When I run the license plate, it's no longer assigned to the vehicle.
It is assigned to the vehicle.
It's not.
So I need you to go put that back. It's a temporary. Do you need to see my registration?
No, I don't.
Okay, but I have 30 days. Okay, I have 30 days to get a tip. This is just expired today.
Yes.
So I have 6 more days to get my license plate.
Wrong.
Yes, I do.
We're not going to argue on the side of the road so I can get hit by a car
So
while
you
I'm
have a
talking
license
to you.
plate to put on my car?
No.
So I need to put that one back.
You need to go get it.
Exactly. So put that back so I can go get it.
It's not assigned to the car. I'm not having this discussion
I
with you.
have my registration in my.
You're getting a ticket today for speeding. We can go in front of the judge and we can explain how you were speeding today. There's a fine that you can pay or call the number to traffic court. I'm not putting license plate back. You're free to go.
Yes, you are.
No.
I have my registration in here.
You're free to go.
Which you never asked for.
I don't need it. You're free to go.
Yes, you do. It's a temporary license plate. You're not supposed to take that.
You are free to go.
I need my license plate, sir.
You are free to go.
I need my license plate. How am I going to drive without a license plate? Make it make sense.
Just drive.
I need a license plate. How am I going to go drive without a license plate?
I'm not talking to you anymore. You're free to go.
Things escalated fast when the driver stopped arguing facts and started playing the racism card. Classic move. When logic runs out, drama steps in.
Get back in your car.
You're not supposed to do that. You're not supposed to do that. I need my license plate back on my car. I have 6 days. You're not supposed to do that. You racist ass.
If you don't get back in your car, you're going to get arrested. If you're going to get back in your car, get back in your car. Get back in the car.
I'm a license, bitch. What's wrong with you? Get the f out of my face before I slap your ass. Get the f out of my face. Don't touch me. Freedom of speech, bitch. Get the f out of my face.
Send me a 94, 1018.
Get your ass out of my face. Don't touch me. If I don't touch you, don't touch me. Simple. Get your ass out my face.
54, just have somebody 1018.
Get your ass out my face.
You're going to be arrested.
For
Get
what?
out of the car.
For what?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for?
Get out of the car.
What are you arresting me for? I need to know. What are you arresting me for?
Get back in the car.
What are you arresting? Okay, so what? I can stand out in the street if I want to. I can stand out in the street. I can stand in the street. Do I have a gun? No, I don't. So you can't arrest me. Let me go.
Stop.
Let me go then.
Stop.
I have kids. Let me go.
Get out of the car.
I'm not getting out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me go, because you're arresting me for no reason. Let me go now.
Now you're going to get another charge for resisting.
Let me go. I'm not resisting. You're arresting me for no reason. Let me call
my people. Stop.
Don't pull me. Do not pull me. I'm going to call my people.
Okay.
Tension exploded as the driver ignored every command, demanding to know why while refusing to step out. Then came the screaming, the cursing, and the grand finale, calling family like it's a school pickup gone wrong.
Let me go.
You can sit here until my backup gets here.
I don't care.
You're not going to call anybody.
My phone, you stupid. Don't touch me.
So you're going to call more people?
I'm going to call my people, say, come get my kids. Are you stupid?
Fight. Yeah.
So I go get my kids. Are you stupid?
Stop.
I have 2 kids in here.
Stop.
Don't touch me. Say, back up. Don't touch me. I'm telling you, don't touch me.
You're making this worse.
You're making it worse because I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
You're making this worse than me.
Don't touch me. I'm calling my family, say, come get my kids. Is you stupid?
Get out of the car.
Don't touch me.
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 Get out of the car.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Okay. Stop trying to touch my phone.
You're really making this worse than it
Stop
used
trying
to
to
be.
touch my phone. I have the right to use my phone. This is my phone. Yes,
you are under arrest. I'm telling you right now.
I'm
you're
not under arrest for anything.
And you are resisting.
I'm not under arrest for anything.
You are under arrest.
Back up. Let me go, sir.
Oh my God, you're going to get tased.
Let me go.
You're going to get tased. You want to get tased in front of your
child? So you got to sue? So I can sue you?
Because I'm telling you.
You arrest me for no reason. You arrest me for no reason. You arrested me for no reason.
I'm getting with District 2. We see Special 14 nearby. We're getting with it. Getting the one.
Check on it if you've been through.
Motor 26V. I'm trying to go 1015. She's resisting. Get somebody here 1018.
I'm trying to come get my kids. I have 2 kids in here.
Let go and get out of the car.
I have 2 kids in here. I have 2. You are a speaker. He keep touching me. I have 2 kids in here.
Get out of the car.
I got 2 kids. I need somebody to come get my
Get out of the
kids.
car.
You're scaring my kids.
You're scaring your kids.
No, you
Get
are.
out of the car.
I need somebody to come get my
Get out
kids.
of the
No,
car.
I'm not getting out of my car. I'm not getting out of my car.
This is incredible.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me.
Get out of the car.
I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. I didn't touch you, so don't touch me. You arrest me for nothing because I said I'm going to shoot you. That's not okay, so what? It's a freedom of speech, sir. It's a freedom of speech, sir. I can say what I want in my mouth. It's a freedom of speech. You're mad? You're mad because you're racist? You're mad because you're racist? Yeah, you're racist. You asked me, like, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Like I said, don't touch me.
How far is my 94?
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Wait till your other officers get here. Don't touch me. I'll let them arrest me. You don't touch me.
You're funny.
You don't touch me. You don't touch me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me.
Ours is just north of Jersey.
Stop touching me. I don't want you touching me.
9-4, they're 51 to you.
Don't touch me.
24.
I'm over here by Rosier Street, by my house. He's arrested me because I told him I'm going to shoot him and I don't care. Because you're racist, sir. You're racist. And I got my license. I don't care. I got a registered license.
You get out.
I got a registered license. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. He keep touching me, and I told him not to touch me. I don't want. No, I'm not. I got kids here. I'm not going nowhere without my kids. No.
Backup arrived to calm the circus, but she kept the show going, yelling about unfair treatment like she just discovered injustice for the first time.
Motor 24, I'm 97.
I said, I don't want you to touch me. I will let somebody else touch me. I don't want you touching me. I'll let somebody else touch me.
Up against the car.
Can you please come get my kids, Ronisha, please? It's okay, baby. It's okay. I'm pretty sure it's okay, mommy. It's okay.
He just pulled up to help.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't cry. Do not cry. I love you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Don't cry. Don't
Let's get
cry.
her
I
out of the
love
road.
you. I love you. I'm sorry.
You wouldn't act like this in front of your kids if you were sorry.
He took my license plate out of my car for no reason. I have 6 days to get a license plate. It just expired today. Why did he take my license plate? I have a temporary license plate. He's not supposed to take my license plate. How am I going to drive without my license plate?
I'm right here.
You're not understanding what he did. He took my license plate off my car. In the state of Florida, you have 6 days to get a new license plate.
Ma'am.
It just expired today.
Ma'am.
It's not even expired yet because today
Listen! Shut your pie hole for a second. I can't get a word in edgewise. All you want to do is yell at me. I'm trying to
I'm
help
not yelling
you.
at you. I'm talking to you,
I'm
sir.
walking back to my car. She got out of her car, started walking towards me, said that she was going to shoot me, started calling me all kinds of racist things because I took her expired temporary license plate. So I tried to 1015 her. She got back in the car. She started calling people. She wouldn't get out. And I
Ma'am,
would come
my license plate expired today. It's not even the end of today yet.
Hold on. You just need to calm down. Let me
put her in the
figure out.
car.
You
Yeah.
took my license plate off my
understand.
car for no reason.
She's got kids in the car
For
too.
no reason. My license plate expires today. This is illegal. I'm suing you. I am suing you. You cannot take my license plate if it's not even passed today. If it was the 27th, I would understand. It's the 26th. You cannot do that. So you're going to jail. I'm telling you, I'm suing y'all. I am definitely suing y'all. I'm not paying. I am suing. And you touched my phone. You hung up my phone. Yeah, I'm suing you, sir.
You did a pat down already?
No, I didn't.
I am suing you.
Any gloves?
Just the bodysuit, so I think that it's.
Take a step back.
I don't think she has any pockets.
Well, I'm not afraid of my legs, so I've never been arrested before, so.
Well, I'm helping you. Listen to me.
I'm spreading. How far you want me to go?
Step back.
Partner did illegal shit. He did illegal shit.
I highly doubt it, but we're gonna figure it out.
Sir, he took my license plate for no reason. Today's the 26th. Why did he take my license plate? Today.
I haven't been here.
Today.
Okay, I
That's
haven't
not
been here.
expired, is it? I'm confused. Is that expired?
Well, give me a minute.
That's illegal.
I just got here.
I'm trying to bend my legs. I can't stand up like that.
What's your name?
Jamila.
Okay, pay attention to me, okay? So, once
She's wearing a bodysuit, so she should be good.
I'll help you out. I'll figure it out. I'll be able to explain it to you. Okay? I'll be able to explain it to you. I got you. I will be able to explain it to you once I know what the heck's going on.
Okay, I understand.
All right.
But I
So what
want
we're gonna do
to
right
ask
now-
you a question.
Yep.
If my license plate expired today, I have
Let me
until
figure
tomorrow
this
to
out.
get a license plate, right?
We're gonna get in the car, okay?
Understanding.
All right, get in the car.
Yeah, kids are in the car.
Just relax, okay?
She got out of the car as I was walking back to the car and said that she was going to shoot me. She needed her temp tag back and all kinds of stuff. Why can't you get out of the car? You're under arrest. And she wouldn't get out of the car. I just held on to her the whole time because I wasn't going to tase her with her kids in the car.
Okay.
I just got here. Somebody's calling. So, hey. All right. So I'm like, where's your mom's phone?
It was right here.
It's out here on the roof.
Somebody's been calling. I don't know who it is. They said it was grandma, but yeah, if you want to take it back to
Yeah, because I don't. It's
Yeah.
locked.
Yeah, I saw that.
All right, we're gonna get somebody here for you, okay?
The senior officer calmly explained the rules: expired tag, illegal threats, basic stuff. But she wasn't here for facts, she was here for feelings.
So, what he told me, you told me you were stopped for, he said for speeding.
For speeding.
All right, so he was probably giving you a warning for that or what have you. He said the tag expired today.
Right.
However,
Today's not over yet.
hold on. Let me finish. However, he said it'd been replaced.
I didn't know that. They didn't tell me that. It's a temporary tag.
Okay, but what happens is when it gets replaced, that temporary tag becomes no good at that point because now the car belongs to the new tag, whatever it is, a new temp tag, a new hard tag, whatever.
You guys have any water or anything? No?
But like I said, I've only talked to him for a little bit. But now the problem is where you are now is because of the screaming and yelling and whatever transpired prior to me getting here.
For me screaming and yelling.
Well, apparently you threatened him
I
and multiple things.
I did threaten
So-
him. That's not illegal.
When you threaten to shoot somebody, that tends
That's
to
not
be illegal.
illegal.
It's not?
No, it's not. If I don't actually do it, it's not illegal. I can say what I want in my
So you
mouth.
only think if you shoot somebody, it's illegal?
If you shoot someone, it's illegal. But saying it doesn't put action into it. Actually doing it does.
Okay.
But I did not actually shoot him, so that's not an actual arrest.
I got you.
So I'm trying to understand what I'm going to jail for.
Once we get all that sorted out, I've been back here
I
with
didn't
you
touch him.
almost the
I
whole
literally-
time.
You can watch his camera. I
Same,
didn't touch him.
same with him. He got here way after me.
All right, hang out right here for me for a second, okay?
How long is my mom gonna be in there?
I don't know, sweetheart. I don't even know what's going on yet, okay?
He said, well, I'm taking. I said, you can't do that. I said, when did it expire? He said, today. I said, today's not over. I can see if it was the 27th. That's different. But today hasn't ended, and it's a temporary license plate. It's not like it's a hard plate. It's a temporary license plate. And he said, no, I'm not getting. I said, sir, you need to get my license plate back. And that's when I got out of the vehicle. I said, can you get my license plate back? He said, no. I said, you racist, I will shoot you. And then he came and grabbed me. I said, what are you grabbing me for? He said, because I told you to get in the car. I said, okay, I can stand in the road if I want to. It's not illegal to stand in the road. He said, well, I'm going to arrest you. I said, for what? He said, get out of the car. I said, I'm not leaving my kids in this car. So I'm trying to understand where and when did that become an arrest?
We'll get all that, all right? Don't worry. You know what? All this will be on body camera, so it won't even have to be your word against his. All right? I'm going to close this door. I'm going to give the deputy your phone for right now, okay?
She ended the night with a lovely two-piece combo, resisting without violence and assault on an officer. Not exactly the kind of double feature you brag about. Another drama queen learns the hard way that the law doesn't care about feelings, only facts. And if you think this meltdown was bad, wait till you see the next one.